Bloss with HydroMaster, and we're so excited that we are at the Experience Convention and Trade Show in Las Vegas booth and show you what HydroMaster has here. Right behind me is the beast itself, the Titan 575, the liquid-cooled engine giant, kind of the standard for big machines in the industry, ready to rock and show it to you. If you come on over here, we're going to even have some more fun. We've got a giant Jenga game, and if you can successfully pull out one of the blocks, you're going to be able to win a prize. Now, almost everybody will win a fiber ID kit, but some people will win bigger prizes like chemicals, tools, other things. We've got 6 different chemical samples for you to try. Every company can try any 2, and so we've got all kinds of information about all of the leading HydroMaster chemicals. Follow me over here, Robert. We've got the RX-20 ready to rock, in production, the standard for rotary extraction. And then I want you to think back to your childhood. Remember when your mom and pop took you down to the local carnival or local state fair? Remember skee ball? Well, we've got skee ball here live. You'll be able to play live giant skee ball to win prizes. And once again, the winners will get things like tools, accessories, and free chemicals. Over here on display is the CDS 4.8 SV. This is in a 2024 Chevy V6 van. So V6 van. It comes with, this one has a hydro cradle in it. This is a completely decked out van. But the 4.8 SV is the most powerful, highest vacuum lift, direct drive truck mount that HydroMaster has ever manufactured. So if you're an old CDS user, you're going to love all the upgrades. If you've never used a direct drive before, come on by and give this a look because it's a sweet setup. Now over here, we've got our new We've got our new brush glide for the Evolution wand, where you can do luxury vinyl plank cleaning and laminate cleaning. We'll be talking more about that as we go through the show. We've got a DryMaster 3 upholstery tool. By the way, here's that glide close up. You can see it's got brushes on it that's designed for hard surfaces. So we've got a couple of other specials going on. We have a PEX 500 here. It's actually back in the cleaning pavilion. If you buy a PEX, if you order one while you're at the show, you're going to get a special almost $500 package free to go with it. So ask about that if you're in the market for a portable. And if you buy a DryMaster 3 upholstery tool, the set it and forget it upholstery tool, no trigger valve, no carpal tunnel, you can get a free chemical kit to get you started in upholstery cleaning with everything you need. We've got special prices on every truck mount, discounts on chemical orders. Then if you come around to the back, we've got a surprise for you. Not only do we have a sweetly decked out van, but we have a brand new Titan 625. This is one of HydroMaster's newer model truck mounts. It's got a 38.5 horsepower Kohler engine and the most vacuum of any truck mount that HydroMaster makes. So come on down and take a look at the 625. If you're a company that does a lot of long hose runs, that you're constantly making a demand on your cleaning machine, this may be the one you want to look at. So if you can come to the show, we'd love to have you here. If not, we've got some exciting news. All of the product specials that I've talked to you about, we're going to hold those prices nationwide at HydroMaster distributors through September the 13th. So if you're in the market for a tool, for a truck mount, for a portable, contact your local HydroMaster distributor and find out what special we've got for you. Thanks for listening and have a great day. Go. Hi, it's Doyle Bloss with HydroMaster. I'm here with Robert Cannon from our technical support team. We've had a great time with many of you playing our blow-up skee ball game, the inflatable skee ball. It's been fun. It's been fun to watch the great players, but I'd say it's been more entertaining to watch the worst players because we've had balls going different directions. So it's been a lot of fun. So we're here going to announce it stopped at 2 o'clock. We've hit our deadline. So Robert's going to tell me the third place winner gets
a case of Grunge Slayer.
A case of Grunge Slayer, hard surface cleaner, fantastic stuff, and
that's going to Dillinger Douglas with a score of 640 points for 1
Dillinger Douglas scored 640 points in 1 minute. Congratulations to Dillinger. All right, and second place gets a Evolution Stair Wand, and the winner is
Mike Tinkerpaw with a score of 650.
Mike Tinkerpaw with a score of 650. The average scores were what, about 280?
The average score is 310.
310. So that's how great these guys. All right, and now I need a drum roll. Can I get a drum roll, audience? Thank you, thank you. The winner who gets a DryMaster 3 upholstery tool is Doyle Block. No,
Raul Salinas with a score of 680.
Raul Salinas with 680. Congratulations to all of our winners. If they're here, they can either pick up their prize or we can ship it to them. If they're gone, that's okay too. We'll get in touch with you and make sure we get that stuff shipped out to you. Thanks to everyone for participating. We've had a great time. It creates a little fun here in the booth to have some things. And now I got to start thinking about what we're going to do next year. We should have a football. Hey, it's Doyle Bloss with HydroMaster. We're here at day 3 of the Experience Convention here in Las Vegas. It's been an outstanding show. We've been busy very steadily through all 3 days, but it's winding down and coming to an end. We've had lots of excitement here. People getting to see the 575 and the Titan 625, the CDS and a 4.3 liter V6 van. We've had games going on, people playing skee ball and ninja, lots of things, but here's the best news. The best news is if you couldn't make it to the trade show, we are still offering trade show prices through the end of next week, through September the 13th. So if you're in the market for a truck mount, a portable, you want to order some HydroMaster chemicals, contact your local HydroMaster distributor and they can tell you what those show specials are. We appreciate you joining us for these videos. Hopefully you can come to the show next year, but if not, we'll always keep you informed on what we're doing here on Facebook. Thanks for joining us.